you have to pass JEE Advanced in order to get into IIT, and that it's a very difficult exam that only small percentage of people are able to clear. Hearing that, I was a bit demotivated, but I still knew that I had the capability to crack JEE Advanced. So I decided to start studying for JEE, and finally I'm happy that I got a good rank, which will help me get into a Decide IIT with a Decide branch. Hello everyone, my name is Ashin Prashant. I'm from Kerala. So till 7th, I studied here in Kerala, Devgiri Sema Public School, and then I moved to Dubai, where I did from 8th to 12th, where I studied from 8th to 12th. First in Delhi Private School, Dubai, then Indian High School, Dubai. So since my childhood, I was very interested in maths and science because it was very logical and interesting, and also I like to play with computers and their software, hardware, and also other machines and electronic items. So I knew that I had some interest in engineering. Later, I learned about IITs and NITs, and that they are the best engineering colleges in India. So I decided that I will try to get into these colleges. Then I learned that we get admission into IITs and NITs through JEE. So I decided that I will give the JEE exam. So in 9th and 10th, I did some basic foundation courses, but it wasn't very serious. I was still focused on school studies and playing. I like to play the keyboard, and I also played badminton, football. So I was still focused on studying, but I didn't take it very seriously. Then I properly started my JEE preparation in 11th. I joined a local coaching in Dubai. In 11th, the preparation was going well, but I was still not completely serious about JEE. I was still looking at other options also. Then in 12th, in the starting of 12th, suddenly COVID pandemic came and all the offline institutes closed. So temporarily we were looking for some online coaching. That's when I found Unacademy. So after talking with my parents, we decided to join Unacademy in around June 2020. So from there, I started my 12th syllabus preparation from Unacademy. The live classes at Unacademy were very helpful. They were very conceptual and of relevance to JEE Main and advanced level. All the teachers were highly skilled, and they never left me any doubt in the subject. Also, during syllabus completion and mainly after syllabus completion, I gave a lot of mock tests for both mains and advanced, which helped me analyze my preparation out and also find my weak areas. All the teachers at Unacademy were very experienced. They had almost 10 or even more than 10 years of experience. So they knew how to teach the subject. They had a proper sequence of chapters so that you can start from the basics and reach up to a very high advanced level in such a sequence that you don't miss out on anything. So and the teachers gave us strategy to learn the subject, like how to learn. Each subject has a different strategy. Like example, in mathematics, you have to focus more on problem solving and bit less on theory. In physics, theory is also a bit more important, but problem solving is also very important. And even in chemistry, physical, organic, inorganic, for each of the three, the strategy is completely different. So in Unacademy, there were teachers for each part of chemistry, so they knew how to teach that part properly and in what sequence to go, what strategy to follow. So all this helped a lot in my preparation. They also told us about test attempting strategy, how to properly attempt the test, what sequence to go, how many questions to attempt, how many questions to attempt in first round, then second round. With that, you are able to manage your time because you have to do almost 54 questions in 3 hours. So you have to manage your time properly. You don't have to solve all the questions, but you have to solve all the questions that you have to solve it properly. Otherwise, you may get stuck in the tough questions and forget the easy questions that you could have solved in 2 minutes. So test attempting strategy is also important. So all these strategies given by the teachers and mentors helped a lot in my preparation. To my juniors, I would suggest you to join Unacademy Plus and follow all the teachers very diligently. They, like I said, they have a they have an experience of 10 years or even more than 10 years, so they know what they're doing, so you should follow this strategy. And you have to be dedicated in your studies, attend all the classes in time, because one issue with online learning is that if you are not disciplined yourself, then you may not be able to perform, because there is nobody there to force you. You have to be disciplined yourself and attend all the classes, then only you'll be able to get all the benefits of online learning, and especially Unacademy Plus. And prepare diligently, follow all the strategies of your teachers, and you don't have to follow it blindly. Also, you can implement your own strategies, but as long as they are beneficial, so you can consult with your teachers. The day before JEE Advanced, I was very tense, but I tried not to study anything so that I can keep my mind calm. But I still had a lot of tension. That day, I didn't do any studies, and I tried to sleep as early as possible, around 8:30 or 9 p.m. But still, it took me around 2 hours to get sleep because of all the nervousness. Then I woke up really early in the morning so that I don't get late. And even in the morning, I was really tense, so I couldn't eat anything properly, but I still tried to eat enough amount of food. Then in the exam hall, I reached 1 hour early, so that 1 hour I was simply sitting there, and then I had a lot of pressure. I was feeling some stomachache and headache, but then I was even feeling some sleepiness. But once the exam started, I didn't feel anything. I was completely focused on the exam, so I was able to do it very well. Then after paper 1 ended, in the break, I tried to not think about the exam and again relax. I ate some food and drank some water, and kept myself hydrated, and we tried to take some walks so that I can relax and calm my mind and get ready for paper 2. Then paper 2, again, while sitting in before the exam started, I was feeling very nervous, but still not as nervous as paper 1. But when paper 1 started, I was feeling a bit of toothache, so it affected me a bit. Affected my performance a bit, but still I was able to perform to a good level. Then after the exam ended, I reached home directly, and then I try not to discuss the paper or think about the paper. I just relaxed for many days. Even after a few days, when the answer key came, I didn't check it because I was too nervous, and I didn't want to see my marks, because anyways, whatever marks I got, it's final. Then finally, till the result day, I tried to not think much about JEE, and think about other passions. Like I tried coding and learning something new instead of thinking about JEE. Then finally, on the result day, the result was supposed to come at 10 a.m. But then there was some issue with the phone number, so I wasn't able to access the result. So for almost 2 hours, I was simply sitting trying to get the result many times. Then suddenly, after 2 hours, I simply tried to enter the phone number once, and suddenly the result came. Suddenly I hid it so that I don't see it. Then I called my mother and everyone, and then we saw the result together. And I saw I got All India rank 409, and I was extremely happy. I was screaming. I was too happy. It's actually indescribable. Like after 2 years of effort, finally to see that you got a great rank, it made me very happy. And then I told all my family members, my parents, everyone are happy. And now I think I'm ready to get into a good IIT. During preparation, I had some issues like backlogs and distractions. So backlogs, they were mainly caused by some sickness or some work at school. So I try to reduce my load in school as much as possible, and the teachers in school are very helpful in this matter. And all the backlogs that were created, I try to cover them part by part every day. And even while keeping focus on the current topic, I tried to cover the backlogs, and also I tried not to pile too many backlogs and cover whatever was already going on. And there were some distractions, like I would use my phone for too long, maybe watching YouTube or checking some social media, but I try to control myself, keeping limit of about 5, 10, 15 minutes every time. and I try to limit it as much as possible. And my family was also very supportive in my preparation. My parents were supportive of my decision to prepare for JEE, join an academy. So I'm very thankful for that. And also my sister, she's studying MBBS, so she has also done entrance exam. So she helped me in that strategies for entrance exam. And all my other family members also, like cousins, uncles, aunts, grandparents, everyone were very supportive of me, and they were very happy to see that I got a good rank. So, so the support of my family members also really helped me crack this exam.